Top 5 fruits that boost sexual performance and libido in men. Banana. The shape of banana gives you an idea of how powerful it is when it comes to sexual performance in men. Banana contains potassium, which controls your blood pressure and also boosts sexual performance by ensuring proper blood flow to certain parts of the body, including the genitals. Potassium is also a muscle-relaxing mineral that prevents cramps and muscle spasms that may impede your sexy time. The sexual innuendo, as many calls it, prepares you for evening festivities by boosting your energy levels from its simple carbs. Watermelon. Watermelon increases sexual timing. Watermelon is one of the fruits that improves your erection and also increases your libido. L-citrulline contained in watermelon is converted into L-arginine in your body that helps make your erection strong and harder penis by stimulating the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes the blood vessels to increases blood flow to the penis, strengthening erections. Watermelon is one of the richest natural sources of L-citrulline. Apple. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, but also help to extend your sexual stamina. Sex can be equated to an endurance exercise because your body goes through many of the same physical changes, such as elevated heart rate, increased metabolism, burned calories, and muscle contractions during sex as it does during exercise, hence more energy is needed. Quercetin, an antioxidant in apples, boost your sexual stamina to go at it longer without experiencing premature fatigue by maximizing the amount of oxygen use in your muscles to generate more energy. The high levels of quercetin in apples play a role in improving endurance by extending your time in bed. Avocado. Anxiety related to sexual performance can elevate your stress levels and also affect your sexual performance and libido. Also, the lack of B vitamins, nutrients that keep nerves and brain cells healthy, in diet could also worsen your stress levels even further. Avocados are rich in stress-relieving B vitamins and monounsaturated fat, which has been shown to aid blood flow to the entire body, including the penis, for erection. Not only are avocados rich in stress-relieving B vitamins, but they're also a source of folic acid and vitamin B6. Folic acid pumps the body with energy during sexual activity, while vitamin B6 stabilizes the hormones necessary for a healthy sex drive. Berries. Zinc is an important nutrient when it comes to libido, sexual performance, and fertility in men. The seeds of these fruits, strawberries and raspberries, are loaded with zinc, which is essential for sex for men. In men, zinc controls the testosterone level, which is responsible for producing sperm. It is important that men load up on zinc, as their zinc levels reduce during intercourse. Like, share and subscribe.